Hello students, hope you are all doing good. In the previous class we discussed about Mendeleev periodic classification as well as we have come to Moseley's periodic classification. In Moseley's periodic classification we shall discuss about groups. When Moseley arranged the elements in the increasing order of their atomic number, he could arrange them in 18 groups, 18 columns which are called groups. They are traditionally denoted with 1 to 8 A and B alphabets, 1 to 8 Roman numerals with A and B alphabets, but presently it is denoted with 1 to 18 Arabic numerals, but we shall follow 1 to 8 with A and B. That is what, for example, 1A, 1A, 1B, 2A, 2B, 3A, 3B, like that. That is the traditional method. In modern method, you have 1 to 18 Arabic numerals, but we follow the traditional method. If you take a particular group, let us take the first one: hydrogen, lithium, sodium, potassium, vanadium, cesium. Let us take the first group. Now, elements in the first group, they have similar elements in a group usually have similar electronic configuration. For example, if you take lithium, the electronic configuration is 1s2 2s1. If you take sodium, it is 1s2 2s2 2p6 3s1. So here, if you see the electronic configuration, in the shell it has got one electron, and moreover every time a new level is being added. Here you have 2s, next you will have 3s, for the next element you have 4s, for the next element you have 5s, like that, having only one electron. So because they have similar electronic configuration, their properties are same, and every time a new shell will be added to the elements as you write the electronic configuration of the elements. Now the entire periodic table is divided into 4 blocks, that is S, P, D, F blocks, depending upon where the last electron is present. For example, if you take sodium, the last electron is in S. If you take aluminium, the last electron is in P. If you take scandium, last electron is in D. If you take cesium, the last electron is in F. So sodium belongs to S block, aluminium belongs to P block, scandium belongs to D block, cesium belongs to F block. Like this you have blocks. These two are S block, these are these are D block, these elements are P block, and down this is S, P, D, and down you have F block elements. The entire periodic table is divided into P, S, P, D, F blocks. If you take a particular group, it is also called as element family, or it is called chemical family. The other name for group is element family or chemical family. There are some names given to certain groups, like for 1A it is called alkali metal family because they are metals and they form bases. Next, 2A group is called alkali earth metal family because they are obtained from earth. 3A group is called boron family, 4th is called carbon family, 5th is called nitrogen family, 7A is oxygen family, or 6A is oxygen family or chalcogen family because they form ores. 7A are called halogens, halos means seas, genus means it is the source of the, so these halogens are obtained from the sea. 8th group are noble gases because they do not participate with any other atom while reacting. So 8th group are called noble gases because they do not react with any of the atoms or any of the metals. That is about the groups till then. We shall discuss about periods in the next class.